Myself, Jayesh
Hi,
Thakare, and I
myself
had successfully
Crystal
completed
Ravi.
all
I
the
have
projects
completed
within the
my
internship,
internship with
and
Unified
I
Mentor
actually
as
like
a
the
full
internship.
stack web
The internship
development
provided a
intern. It
valuable
was a
learning
great
experience
learning
with practical
experience.
exposure.
I got to
The
work on the
mentors who
projects
supportive and
like
guided me whenever needed.
weather app, which
Task
uses
helped me to
API
improve my
integration,
technical
or
problem
student teacher
solving skills
booking
actually.
appointments,
Overall, it
which
was
also uses
productive
Firebase and
experience, and a few
Cloud
more real
Firestore.
world projects
I
would
had
make it even better.
such a
I think
great time working on this
this
project,
can be
which
from my side. Thank you, sir.
makes my knowledge or my theoretical
Myself,
knowledge
Jayesh
work
Thakur,
into the
and I had
practical ones.
successfully completed
It
all the projects
improved my
within the
skills
internship,
in HTML,
and
CSS,
I actually
JavaScript,
like the
and
internship.
also
The
I
internship
happen
provided
to
a
learn
valuable
new
learning
skills
experience
like
with practical
React,
exposure.
Node,
The
and
mentors were
Firebase as
supportive
well.
and guided me whenever needed.
I had such a
Task
great
helped me
time.
to improve my
Overall, the
technical problem solving
mentors
skills
in
actually.
Unified Mentor are so
Overall, it was
supportive.
productive
Any doubts can be
experience, and a
solved
few
if
more
I
real
message
world
them or
projects
call
would
them in
make it
any
even
time,
better. I think
which was a great
this
thing which makes
can be from
every
my side.
task
Thank you, sir.
easier. Thank you, Unified
Myself,
Mentor,
Jayesh
for
Thakur, and I
giving me
had
this
successfully
opportunity, and
completed
I'll
all the
recommend to
projects
all the
within the
students to
internship,
gain the work
and I
experience
actually
and
like
the
the
real
internship.
life
The
experience
internship
in this.
provided a valuable
Thank you.
learning experience